Hello all, so this will be quick unboxing of another watch that I've ordered. This watch is for my girlfriend. It is a men's style watch, but uh, it but my girlfriend likes it. As you can see, my package was already opened by the customs, so you will see what is inside, how it looks like. This watch I have won from eBay. Okay, so as you already know from this flyer here, it is from Alpha Watch. So more inside. So as you can see, it is already opened by the customs. So we have a closer look on our Alpha watch, because it's really nice punch, and also, like I said, a warranty card and manual. We will check this out. The presentation for Chinese watch is pretty much. Oh. They even make a mistake. But got stamp, serial number, date of purchase, and also name. Here's the features. It looks like this is the same for many type of Alpha watch, maybe like on this picture, different types. Simply manual on how to operate the watch. I will give this back. Like I said, this watch is for my girlfriend. She doesn't know that I'm bringing her a watch, but she liked it when she saw it on picture, so I bought her one. You can see there's nothing more in the pouch. It's really nice. Could be also a cleaning coat from it. Okay, this aside. Now for the watch itself, we will unwrap it. As you can see, it has got pear dial with stone bezel and small stones inside. This watch has got an 23 jewels Seagull movement. So don't know. Let's open it up. Okay. Stainless steel, Acer Exodate. We should unwrap it. There's only this part. Okay. There's a gorgeous dial. Gorgeous, really nice. Stones are applied really nice. No defect is there. It has got screw down crown, which is really nice also. Binding is nice. Okay, so changing date, the day of the week, first position, and to this right, and forward, and changing the date backwards. So show you again, really nice. And changing the time, last position, crown is holding perfectly. The day is changing at 3rd hour, and the date is changing at midnight. You can check here. Yes, really nice. Wind it. How I said, this is automatic watch. They got pretty nice deal on it now on eBay. Just search Alpha stone bezel watch. I think I will set the correct date and correct day for it. I'll just wait to 10. Now okay. Okay, so this is 12, 8, 8, 15, 17, and now okay. And today is 27th. 27th and Saturday. Okay. Find it. The power reserve should be around 50 to 60 hours. Like I said, it is 23 jewels Seagull movement, which is really nice movement for the price that I have paid for this watch. See the nice dial, pair dial. I know it is men's style watch, but like I said, my girlfriend loves it, so you can see also on serial number is here written, deluxe. I will try to search any other number. No, really nice quality. Like the presentation of the watch. It is stainless steel construction, stainless steel bracelet. So I think you can go wrong with this watch. I can try it on my wrist, so you could see the size of it. It's a relatively small watch. I like bigger ones. I can compare it to my big pilot. So the size is around 40 millimeters, I think. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you like it, because it is really nice watch, really nice thickness, automatic watch, nice presentation, very beautiful dial. Okay, thank you for watching. See you later.